Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm offering you a very beautiful stone. It's a sapphire, teal color, Loupe Clean. It's a very beautiful stone. You can contact me if you are interested. I can ship it everywhere in the world. There's no problem. And you'll find all the details underneath the pictures and also in the description. In the meantime, thanks a lot for watching it. If you like it and share it as much as you want. And God bless you. See you next time. Thanks a lot. Ciao, ciao, guys.